Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify logo usage rules in your own trademark workflow detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of your trademark and its logo. Identify the specific logo usage rules outlined in your trademark registration documents. Consult your country's trademark office for official logo guidelines. Review any supplementary materials provided during the trademark application process. Familiarize yourself with common logo usage terms such as maximum size, minimum size, and clear space. Determine if there are Check if your trademark registration includes specific instructions for digital versus print usage. Understand how your logo should be displayed alongside other trademarks or brands. If available, reference your brand's style guide for additional logo usage details. Establish a monitoring process to ensure compliance with these logo rules across all platforms. Communicate logo usage guidelines clearly to all stakeholders in your organization. Provide training sessions for team members on the correct use of the trademarked logo. Create a checklist to follow every time the logo will be used in new materials. Document any instances of non-compliance for future reference. Adjust your workflow as necessary based on findings from your monitoring process. Stay updated with any changes in trademark law that might affect logo usage. Collaborate with legal counsel to review your practices regularly for adherence to these rules. Ensure your brand consistency by applying your logo usage rules across all channels, both digital and print. By following these steps, you will maintain the integrity of your trademark and its associated logo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.